Hello and welcome to our phonics lesson learning video for Wednesday. We are still working with the initial sound spelled M. Objective: what will I do today? Today I will display phonological awareness by reading words that start with the beginning sound spelled M by completing page 18 in my student journal and drawing 3 things that start with the letter sound. This is TEKS K.2.BI. Here are some pictures of things that start with the sound. I'm going to say the name of the picture. I want you to repeat after me. The first picture is a picture of a moon. Listen to the beginning sound. Moon. You hear a at the beginning of moon. The second picture is a picture of a mitten. Mitten. The beginning sound sounds like this. Mitten. The last picture is a picture of a moose. The beginning sound is Moose starts with the beginning sound for moose. Here are 3 more pictures of things that start with the sound. The first is a picture of a map. The beginning sound is for the word map. The second picture is a picture of a monkey. Monkey has a beginning sound monkey. The third is a picture of a mailbox. Mailbox has a beginning sound mailbox. Now, turn to page 18 in your reading book. You have 4 pictures. You're going to say the name of the picture and think about if it starts with the letter M. If it sounds like this at the beginning, it would start with the letter M. The first picture is done for you. This is a picture of a mouse. Mouse. That has a beginning sound So I'm going to write a capital M and a lowercase m. Try to make sure your capital M goes all the way from the bottom to the top and your lowercase m stays below the dotted line in the middle. You're going to do the rest on your own. This is a picture of a bus. This is a picture of a mop. This is a picture of a monkey. Write the letter M next to the words that start with the sound. Now it's your turn to create your own. You can get crayons, a pencil, and some paper. On your piece of paper, draw 3 things that start with the sound. If you've already done so yesterday, you can draw more pictures of things that start with the sound. If you want to be extra creative, you can do things that end with the letter as in jam. So you could do things that end with the letter M sound, like jam, Pam. Great job. Our next Google Meets will be at 10 o'clock. I'm sorry, this is wrong. 10 o'clock tomorrow. See if you can find something in your home that starts with the letter sound to show. So find something around your house that starts with the letter sound. See you tomorrow at 10 o'clock.